Today I read the stupidest news I've ever found in the last maybe a decade in my home theater business. I'm so ticked off by it that I just have to pull over and talk about it right away. HDMI organization sent out a letter stating that now there's no more HDMI 2.0. So basically HDMI 2.0 becomes part of HDMI 2.1, and even if an HDMI 2.0 has one, did I say one? Yes, I said one feature of HDMI 2.1. Now HDMI 2.0 can be marketed as 2.1. So yeah, that's stupid. So basically, if you have a TV with HDMI 2.0 with eARC functionality, that is considered HDMI 2.1 now. So yes, TV manufacturers, just by simply adding eARC, because eARC is part of HDMI 2.1 features, now HDMI 2.0 TV can be called as HDMI 2.1. Come on. How are people going to distinguish whether it's an 18 gigabits per second, 23 gigabits per second, 40 gigabits per second, 48 gigabits per second variations of HDMI 2.1? How do you know whether the TV will actually have ALLM or VRR or anything like that? Let's just clump everything, HDMI 2.0 and HDMI 2.1, clump everything in and call it HDMI 2.1. This is just dumb. Come on, HDMI. Get a grip.